Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ You are with me Tisha Today we're going to learn mathematics how to adding fraction If you're ready let's go together We're going to learn how to adding fraction Okay Can you write down with me คะ But our fraction is we have the same or we could say we have like denominator All good ค่ะ Grace All good Let's do it ค่ะ I'm going to show you how to do it example นะคะ This is example for example number 1 If you have your denominator for example is 5 and you have 1 out of 5 plus all of them that we learn now we're going to do just plus them plus 2 over 5 okay now Grace what are we going to do is okay Grace remember the concept okay let me do this I'm going to divide them to two parts like this okay our concept is Grace if we have the same denominator means this one the one on the bottom here what we're going to do is we just write down denominator first guys look at this what is denominator
The bottom number.
yeah what is it here
Ten.
no denominator is the same one นะคะ it is 5 you not part denominator because what it look like this ค่ะ okay let me show you let me show you from here I delete this one first denominator นะคะ is like this ค่ะ if you have 1 out of 5 okay you divided this one to 5 part let's see 1 2 3 4 5 and then you plus another one 2 out of 5 is like this ค่ะ 1 2 3 Grace are you with me yep if you plus them okay let me show you from here this one look like this one is 1 out of 5 okay just one part 1 yep 1 out of 5 and then you plus 2 out of 5 1 2 3 1 2 yep so it's equals okay like this so it's equal 3 out of 5 if that makes sense huh if you're not sure you take a look here with me okay level 1 2 3 4 5 so it's equal this one is 2 out of 5 when you sum them together you have one part okay I draw this one pen one part and another two so it is 3 out of 5 ค่ะ what you're going to do is if you have the same denominator you just put denominator there 5 okay and on the top here okay, let I use different color for you 5 on the top here you just sum them 1 plus 2 because are you okay is equal 1 plus 2 is equal 3 ค่ะ so your answer is 3 out of 5 Does that make sense คะ What is this make
Yeah.
sense or not yep this one is our example a question ค่ะ
No, but I'm not done writing.
Okay, I give you time. When you're writing, I'm going to take our quick screenshot here. กวาดจิ้มหน่อย 1 2 3 smile quick. Good. Let me know when you finish ค่ะ we do another one.
Done.
This is our concept. Now let's see the next one. Okay. Grace, have you learned any fraction at school, huh? Or you never learned them?
No.
Okay, so we go together step by step, huh? But now you learn how to add fraction. And you know how to subtract fraction. And then you learn how to, okay, write out example 2. You learn how to convert between mixed number to fraction, fraction to mixed number. Good, write out example 2. How about if I have 2 over x? You could write out this one, it could be in kind like a look like the bar, or you could write out it's similar like pie as well. Let me show you. If you write out it's like pie. Take a look, Oops. Oops. Yeah, you with me. Plus, yep. Now what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you in terms of, let's move this one up a little bit. I have 2 over x. Ooh. Okay, let's see about this one. And then I plus 3 out of 8 นะคะ Let's see นะคะ It's going to be equal. Grace, you remember what I teach you? Make the denominator is the same. Just write down x here first. Grace, does that make sense, huh? And then on the top here you have 2 plus 3. With equals
5 out of 8?
Yes, 5 out of 8. Very good, Right out here. 5 out of 8. And this one is your answer. But can we try to compare with our figure? If we write it as the model. Okay, let me divide them to egg part here. Okay, see. One, oops. I should this one. Different color ดีกว่า One. Use pink เนาะ 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that we have egg now. And another one. You have egg pieces. Let's see how it's. Chris, are you okay with me? How you draw it? Okay. 2 out of 8. 2 out of 8 look like this. Okay, let me show you. We have 2 out of 8. We plus 3 out of 8. And it's equal 5 out of 8. Is it true or not true? We're going to do it right now together, step by step here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I do the yellow one. 2 out of 8 look like this ใช่ไหมคะ Grace 1, 2. Yep. And then another one I have 3 out of 8. 1, 2, 3. And then when I sum them, I add them together. I have 2 first. I write out 2. 1, 2. And then I plus with 3 out of 8. 1, 2, 3. And how about how all of them come together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 out of 8. Like this ค่ะ Whoops. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 out of 8. You see that it's correct. Good morning, everyone. You are with me, Tisha. Today we're going to learn mathematics tip and trick about equation. How to solve equation in two methods that you can compare both two methods. Method 1 is elimination, and method 2 is move to another side of the equation. If you're ready, let's go together. Solve the equation นะคะ For example, if you have 2 plus x, you don't know x, 2 plus x equal 5. What is the number that 2 plus them and is equal 5? Something like this. This one is example.
Oh,
Example.
3.
Yes, it's 3. But I would like to teach you. Okay. But I would like to teach you kind of like we have two methods of solve it. Can you write down with me, huh? We have two methods. That's called method number 1. We call elimination. Can you write down with me? We have two methods of solve equation. At the moment that we're going to learn method 1, we call elimination, which is kind of like you need to understand this method first, elimination. But if you want to do it quick, you have to use this method that called move to another side of equation. But I'm going to teach you both. Another side of the equation. Of the equation ค่ะ Can you write down with me? Or I'm going to call method 2 นะคะ that's move. Okay, let's see. Like a same question, we do both method 2 and method 1. Let me move. Oops, let me make it half from here. Okay. Guys ค่ะ look at this one นะคะ method นะคะ Okay, let's say method 1. We're going to do method 1 first. Okay, method 1, which is named elimination ค่ะ Okay, can you write down with me คะ Use your notebook. Make it elimination. Make it kind of like divided to two parts. Method 1 elimination and method 2 move to another side of the equation. To another side of the equation. Method 2 is kind of quicker and it's kind of like a tip and trick. Quicker as well, but you need to understand method 1 first. Okay, let's see how let's do it ค่ะ elimination I would like to change this one a little bit. I would like to change to x plus 2. What is the number plus 2 equal 5? Okay ไหมคะ Let's see. You have x plus x is something that you don't know, plus 2. But guys, you have to look at this one carefully because it's a little bit tricky. Equal 5. Write down 5 here.
Oh, then x equals 3.
Yeah. But try to see this method. Okay. X plus 2 equal 5. This one plus 2 equal 5. let's see first one ค่ะ let's focus on the elimination method first elimination method what you're going to do is again you have x plus 2 equals 5 but elimination method is you going to find the number with plus 2 how you can eliminate plus 2 that means you need to minus or subtract 2 and you minus or subtract 2 both sides of the equation okay so it's going to be x plus 2 2 minus 2 turn to be 0 it's plus 0 that means it's gone and it's equal what is 5 minus 2 คะ 5 minus 2
minus equal 3.
3 I have 3 here so x plus 0 is nothing we have just x and then that means x equals 3 this one is your answer elimination method that means you find the number that you want to eliminate okay look again this one is carefully elimination method you find the number that you want to get rid of if you have plus 2 you have to minus 2 but you have to minus 2 both sides of the equation okay so it's going to be 0 it's gone or sometimes what they do they just cross it like this right now we do move to another side of the equation which is much quicker but you need to understand this concept Grace write down with me if you plus you move to another side of equation it's going to be minus subtract if you have subtract you move to another side of equation going to be plus if you have multiply you move to another side of equation it's going to be divided if you have divided you move to another side of equation going to be multiply this one that you need to understand them first you write down here huh okay now it's very excited part I'm going to show you how are you ready you have x plus 2 equal 5 you just want to find x you move plus 2 to another side of the equation so now you have x equal 5 plus 2 if it's positive move to another side of equation turn to be negative it's going to be negative 2 so that means your x equal 5 minus 2 which is equal 3 and this one is your answer is this tricky ไหมคะ Yep elimination and move to another side of equation move to another side of equation why this one is good move to another side of the equation again how we going to divide that our paper to two parts let's see and our question is the same we would like to find what is the number that x plus 3 equals 8 ค่ะ same thing yep x plus 3 equal 8 plus 3 equal 8 let's go Grace ค่ะ let's go x plus 3 equal 8 how can we do it คะ elimination. Oh, I forget to tell you method 1. Method 1, we're going to use elimination. Okay, elimination, that means you get rid of one of them. By time method 2, you're going to use move to another side of equation ค่ะ Okay, let's go. Guys, let's go. Method 1, move to method 1, elimination. You have x. Guys, can you write down with me? Are you okay? Can you write down x plus 3 equal 8? Elimination, if you have plus 3, that means you need to subtract by what? Minus 3, yeah? Both sides of the equation. X plus 3 minus 3, x minus 3. You need to subtract both sides of the equation because you want to get rid of 3. Are you good? Right now ค่ะ Let's go ค่ะ Now we do is quicker. X plus 3 minus subtract 3, that's gone, yeah? So it's turned to be x plus 0 equals 5. So your x plus 0, x plus 0 equal x ใช่ไหมคะ So your x equal 5. This one is your answer. Now go next. X plus t equal 8. We're going to use method 2. We're going to move to another side. From positive, move to another side tend to be what? Negative. So it's tend to be x equals 8. Or from plus 3, positive 3, move to another side, tend to be negative 3. True. So it's going to be negative 3. So that means our x equals x minus 3 equal 5 ค่ะ and this one is our answer. If you have done them correct, both methods have to be the same answer. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you like my videos, just feel free to click like, thumb up and share. Now we have YouTube channel that's specific in mathematics, tip and trick. Please feel free to subscribe so you can learn interesting mathematics method, how to solve mathematics question for free. So thank you very much for watching the video. I see you next video clip. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye. Hello everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ You are with me, Tisha. Today, I'm going to teach you tips and tricks about the technique how we convert from improper fraction to mixed number and from mixed number to improper fraction. If you're ready, let's go together. Mixed number, mixed. When you heard about mixed number, you have to know exactly that it's mixed, yeah? So that's why it's named mixed number. Okay, what they mix with whole number and the fraction. Okay, what they mix with a whole number, and then they plus or they mix with an proper fraction. For example นะคะ if you have the circle look like this นะคะ okay, let me write out the circle here. You have one circle look like this, and then you have plus another half, just half of them look like this one นะคะ okay, let me do this here. Oops. And you mix another half here, and this one you have just half. Okay, and I'm going to write out here with you. Grace, are you still with me? Are you still with me? Huh? Yep, yep. So one of your whole number นะคะ if it's kind of like a whole number, all of this one is like 1. And then you plus with half is 1 over 2. So it is 1 and 1 and half, 1 and 1, 1 and 1 over 2 or 1 half. This one we call mix ค่ะ mixed number. It make sense ค่ะ we call this one mixed number. So again, mixed number is you have a whole number and then you mix with proper fraction. Mixed number could be look like this as well ค่ะ I give you example. For example, 3, 1 over 2, or you get 5 and then 2 over 3, or you could have 8 and then you have 3 over 5. Okay, what we're going to do นะคะ if you have 3 over 2, you can see that the denominator, the one on top, is greater than the one at the bottom or denominator. What we're going to do นะคะ you could do this method, the short one or the long one. Okay, I'm going to show you the short one, the quick one first. I know that 3 divided by 2 is equal 1, yeah? And then you have the remainder 1. So you write down remainder 1. And then the denominator have to be the same. So it's 2. In the future, you need to use this method. But I'm going to show you another one as well. If you have 3, you divide it by 2. What we have, 3 divided by 2 is 1. And then when 1 times 2, you have 2 here. You minus them. So that means you have remainder 1. Yeah. So what does it mean? You have 1. You write down 1 here. And have remainder 1. Write down remainder on the top here and divide it by 2. Is that hard ไหมคะ A bit hard, but it's okay, guys. Can we try another one together, huh? Okay. That's okay. It's my heart at the first time. Guys, are you okay? How about if we have 5 over 2? I know exactly it's equal. Look at this one, 5 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, sorry. 5 divided by 2 is 2, and then we have remainder 1. So it's 1 over 2. Or another option. I show you how. If we divided them like this, นะคะ it's equals. You put 5 inside here. And then you put 2 here. 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is okay, 5 divided by 2 you have 2 ใช่ไหมคะ 2 times 2 is 4. You put 4 here. Is that make sense ไหมคะ Grace? And then you have remainder 1. What you're going to do is this one is like the core. You remember we learned from last time. So quartile, and this one is remainder. So you put the remainder here. Same concept, ค่ะ You have 2 here. You write down 2 here. Have remainder 1. Write down remainder here. And denominator have to be the same. Grace, does that make sense or not? Is that hard? It might be hard at the beginning, ค่ะ 14 is, so again นะคะ this one is our 14. Okay, I write down here for you. Grace, how you pronounce this one? Quotient. And this one is our remainder. Yep. And this one is our denominator. This is how you put them together. From the improper fraction to mixed number นะคะ improper fraction mean like you have denominator. For example, you have 5 and denominator just 3. What you're going to do is, Grace, I'm going to show you the quick method. 5 divided by 3 is 1, yeah? Grace, does that make sense? It's 1. And then you have 2 remain, yeah? And then you have to divide it by denominator. This is how you solve it. Or if you would like to use the long method, you could as well. It's going to be like this. If I would like to use the long division, I put 5 inside. Divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Yep. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. And then when you subtract them, minus, is equal to. So again, what you have the quotients 1. You write down 1 here. You have remainder 2. Okay. You write down remainder here. Yep. And then you have the same denominator. The denominator is the same. Yep. Great, does that make sense? Can we try one more? Yes? How about... Okay, Grace, tell me one of your favorite number, huh?
9.
9, okay. And tell me another number that's greater than 9.
11.
Okay, how about now you have the improper fraction 11 over out of 9. What are you going to do, huh, Grace? Help me, huh? 11 divided by 9 equal... Okay, if 9 times 1 equal 9, yeah? But if 9 times 2 equal 18, we cannot use 18 because it's greater than 11. So we have 1. Okay, 11 divided by 9, 9 times 1 equal 9. And then we have remainder, 10, 11. So we have 2 remainder. And then how should we divide it by 9?
635.
Okay. We're going to convert mixed number, huh? To improper fraction. Grace, what is improper fraction again, please? Okay, how is different between proper fraction and improper fraction? Yep, okay, like this one now. Improper fraction is the one that, for example, the denominator is greater than denominator. Okay? This one is improper fraction. But let's try to convert ค่ะ Okay, I'm going to show you the easy one first นะคะ How about I have 1 and then I have proper fraction 1 over 2. The way that you convert is very easy. You do like a 2 times 1 and then you plus 1. This is how you do it ค่ะ Grace, are you okay? Can we take a look again one more time? What you're going to do is how to do it is okay, let me show you. เดี๋ยวครูเขียนให้ใหม่ครูจะเขียนตัวใหญ่ๆเอาใหม่ you have one, whoops, one, and then you have proper fraction 1 over 2. The way you do is นะคะ you put okay 1 over 2 1 over wait. You put it like this ค่ะ 2 times 1 you multiply them here and then you plus here. Yep. And then you have the denominator is still the same. That's 2 is still the same. So I write out 2 here first. Yep. Because it's going to be the same. What you're going to do นะคะ like this one ค่ะ 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3 over 2. It make sense ค่ะ
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Grace, let you write down all of them first.
I am done.
Oh, good. Actually, you have homework, but we don't have much time to go through. I would like to teach you how to convert them first. Okay, let's see another example one นะคะ If we have, okay, now I have 1 and 2 over 3. What I'm going to do นะคะ is equal. I know that 3 have to be the same, yeah? Denominator always be the same. I write down here first 3. I put 3 here because I know that it needs to be the same. Then Grace color this one. 3 times 1 is 3. That makes sense ไหมคะ 3 times 1 is 3 and then plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5.
Huh?
That makes sense or not คะ
Yeah.
Okay. If you think it makes sense, let's see the next one. How about number 2 here ค่ะ Grace, you need to help me. Have 1 5 2 ค่ะ Okay, Grace, what is the answer ค่ะ I'm going to give you a hint. Denominator always the same, so I write down over 5 first. Grace, can you help me please, step by step? No?
7.
Yeah, because 5 times 1 is 5 and then plus 2 is 7. Very good ค่ะ correct ค่ะ You write down 7 here. Good job. Does that make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching my videos about the mixed number and improper fraction. If you have any question, please feel free to leave comment. Follow me on social media, Facebook, and subscribe this YouTube channel. So I see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ See you. Bye. Go. Number 8.
Brad, do the 2 congruent squares shown.
Go wait, please. 2 congruent squares shown. What does the word congruent, what does it mean? Same shape? Yes, very good ค่ะ Same shape and side. Yes. Okay. This guy, oh, he look cool here. Read the next one ค่ะ He divided one square into 2 congruent triangular parts. Again, analyze the equation. Triangular part, that mean triangle part. Yeah. Okay, Grace, read the next one.
He divided the other square into two congruent rectangular parts. Which statement is true?
Okay, let's go ค่ะ for the first one he divided one square into two congruent triangular part that means the triangle part have to be the same shape and same size how you divided them Grace can you write down here เขียนให้ครูหน่อย how you divided the one square the first square into two congruent triangular part เก่งมาก very good yes and another one is two congruent rectangular part again you need to know that triangular look like this yep rectangular part rectangular rectangular part look like this okay which statement is true Great read the first one อ่านให้ฟังหน่อยค่ะ read each triangular part
and each rectangular part represents one half of the area
of the area of the square do you think it's true or not yeah I think it's true as well but can we go next to G can you read G please and read G
each triangular part has an area that is greater than the area of each rectangular.
No, I don't think that. I think it's equal. So this one is incorrect. It's false. Go to the next one. Grace อ่านต่อค่ะ Each
triangular part and each rectangular part
and each
rectangular
part
1/4 of the area.
No, it's not true. Yeah, because if it's one fold, it have to be like this. So this one is false as well, not true. Go next ค่ะ Go next.
Each rectangular part area that is greater than the area of each triangular part.
It's false, yeah, because it's equals. It's half, it's equals. So only one that true is F is triangular part. That means this one. And each rectangular part represent half of the area. This one is very good. This one is correct because here they say that you come back to the question. They say that he divided one square into two congruent and this one congruent as well and again congruent means same shape and size so that means they divided them equal yep that's it very good ปรบมือให้ตัวเองหน่อย Grace this one I think is a little bit complicated and I like this question
are shown which comparison and explanation is true
are true yes which comparison and explanation are true okay look at this one carefully นะคะ Grace the first strip here just one yeah can you write down with me one the second one you divide them I mean they divided it to 1 2 3 4 5 6ใช่ไหมคะ 1 2 3 4 5 6 yep and then the last one they divided to how many part what I do okay this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 how about the last one how many parts คะ1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8ใช่ไหมคะ 8 part now you would like to compare look at you want to find the one that true 5 over 6 can you see this one 5 over 6 that means here 5 over 6 less than 5 5 over 6 1 2 3 4 5 5 over 6 is here less than 5 over 8 now it's 4 yep it's not true because 5 out of 6 is in here you can see that it's greater than 5 out of 8 so this one is not true okay. read B ค่ะ
5 out of 6 is less than 5 out of 8 because 6 are larger than 8.
Oh my sorry A 5 out of 6 less than 5 out of 8 because 8 are larger than 6 this one is not true from here because it's not less than it's greater than I would like you read can you make star on this 13 the question is tricky because you need to understand the meaning as well because 8 are larger than 6 because 6 are larger than 8 okay look at this one carefully A and B not true because it's not less than it's larger than but how Grace can you read C please 8
Because 8 are larger than 6.
if they say 8 with S what that is mean is mean just one piece of this one look นะคะ and when they say 6 they mean just one piece of this one you can see from here that the 6 is greater yep there are 6 and this one is the 8 that means one piece of them look at this one carefully the 6 one look like this is greater than the 8 so when you look at the figures when we divide it to 6 pieces you can see that the 6 that piece is greater than when we divide it to 8 yep so 5 over 6 is greater than 5 over 8 because 6 are greater than 8 what is your answer คะ C or D
D.
D again we call that piece when we divide it to 6 it's greater than when we divide it to 8 it's similar with pizza as well okay any question คะ any question
No.
okay let me show you something very quick before we go to the next one no I mean when we finish it looks like when you have pizza ใช่ไหม you have pizza ใช่ไหมคะ and then you need to understand that if you divide it with 6 friends one piece is greater than when you divide them with 8 friends yep okay let's see but if you divided them by 8 you can see that it's like this 1 2 okay 1 2 3 4 and then 8 of them hello everyone good morning สวัสดีค่ะ I hope this video found you well today we're going to learn mathematics tips and tricks about algebra how to solve mathematics problem if you're ready let's go together hey Grace Okay, everyone, let's go to word problem multiplication. And thank you, the reference. The question is from K5 Learning. Okay, multiplication นะคะ and division word problems. Okay, Grace, read the question, please. Let's go. Grace, number 1 ค่ะ The hotel
The
has
hotel had 7 floors. The lobby, restaurant, and gym are located on the ground floor. The guest rooms are on first to 6th floor. If there are 35 standard rooms on each floor, how many standard rooms are? Oh!
Is it easy or not? But the hotel has 7 floors. The guest room are on underline ค่ะ the first floor to the 6th floor. There are 35 standard rooms underline นะคะ on each floor. It's easy. The first one we're going to do together. We have 35 standard room each floor. And how many floor that we have the guest rooms ค่ะ 1 to 6. That means how many floor, Grace? 6. Yeah, because they have, for example, this one is our hotel. Okay, lobby room. But we have, okay, this one could be lobby, some stuff, but we have 6 floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them come together 6 floor. Yep. So it's a 35 what? Huh? How we set up? Multiply times 6. Yeah. Which is equals. Guess this one is our workout. Workout together. How? 35 times 6. 6 times 5, 30. 3, 6 times 3, 18 plus 3 is 21. So your answer is 210 rooms, standard room, okay? So you write down the answer properly. So your answer is 210 standard rooms. Okay, does that make sense, huh? Oh, great. Oh, good. Let's go to the next one together. 3, huh?
If each standard room can fit 2 guests, what is the maximum number of
Standard
guests?
room fit 2 guests. What is maximum number of guests that all standard room can accommodate? Okay. First, we would like to find underline ค่ะ we would like to find maximum number of guests. My question is, we calculate already from question number 1. How many rooms come together? 210, yup. 210 standard rooms. Do you remember from question number 1? 210 standard room come together and each room fits 2 guests. Easy. What you're going to do is 210 times 2 is that make sense, huh? Which equals, you could do workout here. This one is our workout. 210 times 2. 0, 2, 4. So it fits out 420. Yep. So your answer is, Grace, your answer is 420 guests. Does it make sense, huh? Yep. 好 1, 2, 3, go ค่ะ Number 4 ค่ะ There are 18 suites. It says a room, yeah? Suite means that room. All together in the hotel, how many? What they want you to find? They want you to find how many suites are there on each floor. if each floor has the same floor plan, 18 suites, how many suites on each floor? Oh, how many suites? There are 18 all together in the hotel. Okay, I think I got the idea. Do you remember our hotel, huh? Our hotel have how many floors? This one is a lobby. Yeah, some stuff. How many floors? Come up all together. How many floors? Do you remember how many floors? 6, yep.
7.
Hey, from the question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says come up 6 floors. Do you remember from the question before they said that our hotel have 6 floors? Can you write down, guys? We have 6 floors together, yeah, and we have 18 suites all together. So how many suites are each floor? So that means you have 18 and you have 6 floors. You have to divide it.
By
Divided by 6, huh? So it equals 3. So that means your question, so your answer, how many suites? So there are 3 suites on each floor. So your answer is 3 suite room suite on each floor. Does it make sense, huh? Answer, huh? Again, you need to read the question twice because sometimes of this kind of question, the information is they are from the previous questions. Guys, all good? Go to question number 5 ค่ะ Guys, read question number 5.
Each suite has 3 beds and there is a bedside table beside each side of the bed. How many bedside tables are there in all the suites?
Okay, each suite has 3 beds. And there is a bedside table beside each side of each bed. What? How many bedside tables? Okay. First, from previous question, how many suite room we have? How many room we have, ka? How many suite? From previous question, guess look.
3.
No. From previous question, how many suite we have? I mean all together, all hotel. 18. Okay. Look at this one again. Okay, write down information that we have here. We have 18 suite. Yep. Okay, we have 18 room. And you have to imagine it's like this. This one is the room, yeah? This one is the room. And each room you have 3 beds. For example, this one is bed. 1, 2, 3. And each bed have look. And each bedside table beside each. They have bedside table. Underline this one, beside each side of each bed. So that means each side, one bed have 2 sides, yeah? So they have 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, I just write down your model so you have the idea. So what you're going to do is, do you have any idea how can we solve the question? What we're going to do is, okay, we have 18 suites, the room, yeah? And each room we have 3 beds, multiplied by 3. 18 multiplied by 3. And each bed have 2 sides, so one bed have 2 bed sides. Does that make sense, huh? That small little one is bed side. Does that make sense when I draw the model for you? Yep. So you
Yep.
multiply by 2 and then this is your answer. What is it? Let's work out ไหม Guess let's work out together. 18 times 3 54 times 2 8 and 108. So your answer is 108. So if you write down properly, there are 108 bedside table. You write down with me. There are 100 bedside table. Answer ด้วยค่ะ Answer. Does it make sense, huh, Grace? Are you okay? Can you read question number 5 again? You read question number 5 again? Grace, can you read question number 5 again? Each suite has 3 beds.
Each suite has 3 beds and there's a bedside table beside each side of each bed. How many bedside tables are there
Okay.
in all
Yeah.
of the suites?
So what I want you to analyze from the question, you have to know first, okay, we have 18 room, yeah, and we have 3 bed, and each side of the bed, we have 2 sides of the bed table, bedside table. And they say this is kind of like how you analyze the question. Yep, okay. All done. So what you can do is you multiply number of room 18 multiplies by 3. 3 is number of beds. And then you multiply them by 2. 2 is like bedside tables because one bed have 2 sides or one bed have 2 sides and each side have bedside table. That's it. Okay, Grace, take a deep breath. Are you still okay? Oh, it's that a little bit complicated. Grace, read number 6.
Write an equation using x and then solve the equation. The rate charged for a standard room is $250, and a couple stayed in a standard room for X nights, and their room charge is $750.
Okay, what I would like to tell you, if you see the equation 2 times x, 2x like this, actually it's come from 2 multiply, yes, 2 times by x, but we just write down it, 2x, okay? This is the way that it's write down, it means they time multiply. So in this question, one night is cost 250. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then the couple stay there for X nights, which we don't know how many nights. Right now is X. And then the total price equals 750. So you want to find X. Guess what is the value of X ค่ะ What is 200? What is a number that multiplied by 250 equals 750? You don't know that? Let's work out here. But I'm going to teach you how to solve equation later. 250 times 1 equals 250. Yeah? What is 250 times 2? It's a 500 ค่ะ Grace, how about 250 times 3? It's a 750. So your answer x equal 3. But let me save this one. Yeah, this is how you solve it. But from this one, I would like to teach you how can you solve equation. Actually, you could solve the equation like this. 250x. Guys, have you learned about solve equation in this way? I teach you later because you haven't learned about it. Okay? Question question from here. Number 6 is quite tricky. Guys, do you have any questions? I hope you enjoyed the videos about how to solve mathematics word problems. So if you like the video, just click like, thumb up and share and follow me on social media. Thank you very much for watching my video. I see you next video clip. สวัสดีค่ะ Take care. See you. Bye. Guys, again super quick. Let's see from here. The animal lover, yeah, they have 7 pets. You come together 7. But I'm going to go super quick, yeah, because I teach you in detail already. Each dog is 5 biscuits. Each cat is 4 biscuits. How many of them come together? How many biscuit that they eat together is 32. 32. They want you to find the number of dogs and number of cats. Let's see from here. I'm going to set up equation from you. Number of dogs. We don't know the number of dogs. We give it x. Number of cats we don't know as well. But we know that it come together 7 pets. So that means number of cats has to be 7 minus x. Now what we know next? We know that each dog has 5 biscuits. Each cat has 4 biscuits. Yeah. A number of biscuits. This one is my biscuit. Number of biscuits come together 32. So I'm going to set up equation super quick from here. Again, don't forget that we would like to find number of dogs and number of cats. The technique is you write down with me everything that pop up there. One of the technique is you need to read the question twice. Okay, let's do it together. Number of dogs. Okay. Number of dogs plus number of cats equals 7. Yeah? So it's like a 7 plus number of cats 7 minus x equals 7. If you not believe me, you solve it. Yes, it is. Now I'm going to set up the number of biscuits that the dogs and the cats have come together. The question tells us is 32. So the number of biscuits that the dog have is 5 times x, yeah, because we have x dogs. Each dog has 5 biscuits. How about cat? Each dog has 4 biscuits, so it's 4 times 7 minus x. Yeah. And that's it. Now you get an equation. Okay, sounds good. Now I would like to go super quick. I would like to solve this equation with you. Okay, but let me do this. I need more space, so I'm going to delete this one. Quick 1 to here. right? Look good now. Need more that space as well. Now, you have to know something here when we solve equation. We have two methods. We have the method that I tell you is elimination method and move to another side. I'm going to show both for you. Let's see. Let me do the first one first, but I'm going to fit everything in here. Okay, let's do method 1. Method 1 we call move to another side. Oh, sorry, method 1 we call elimination. Yeah. And method 2 we call move to another side of their equation. Of the equation. Okay. I'm going to do both, but we're going to do in the next page. Let's go together. 5x plus 4 times 7 minus x equals 32. Okay guys, we're going to start with the method 1. Method 1. Elimination. Okay, what we have from here? Method 1, elimination. You remember our equation, yeah? 5 times x plus 4 times 7 minus x equals 32. Let's do them together, huh? Quick one. Okay, 5 times x is 5x. I write down 5x here. And then we have 4 times 7 is plus 20x. 4 times negative x is minus 4x. Yes, and it's equal 32. Same, 32 here. I pick up this one. 5x minus 4x is equal x. Write down x here. So we have plus 20x here. Plus 20x is equal 32. Write down 32 here. Yeah. Same. 32. Alright. Come to the next one. We would like to do elimination method. So now we have x plus 28. Again, don't forget that I want you write down with me. Yes, you write down with me together. You could write on your iPad or your notebook as well. Yeah. Don't just watch, just try to write together so you can practice them. Equal 32. Okay. By the way, when you try to solve equation, I tell you something. Oh, someone asked me, how can you teach 2 hours, 3 hours and smile all the time? Well, maybe because I'm happy to do that. If I'm not happy, I don't smile. Okay. 28 minus 28 equals 0 because you want to get rid of 28. You need to subtract both sides of the equation. So it's going to be x. So the x minus 28 gone. Actually, it's not really gone. It's kind of like a turn to be 0. But I don't want to write down here. I assume that you know it's equal 0. Now we have 32 minus 20x equal 4. Oh my goodness. What does this mean? So that means you know the number of dogs already, yeah? Again, our dogs, number of dogs equal x. Number of cat equal 7 minus x. You know number of dog already. Now you want to find out number of cat. Okay, Now we have our dogs which is equal x, so number of dogs equal 4. We want to find number of cats which is equal 7 minus x, so it's equal 7 minus 4, which is equal 3. So now you have your answer. You want to come back to our question again. Here, what they want you to find out? They want you to find out is in here, guys. How many dogs and how many cats are there? Okay. So what we have here? We have 4 dogs and 3 cats. And they say this one is your answer. But we're not finished yet. We're going to do the method number 2. Move to another side of equation. With I support is quicker. Let's go together. Save this one first. Go to the next one. Okay guys, method 2. Okay, we have the same equation, yeah? We have 5x plus 4 times 7 minus x equals 32. Okay, let's do guys. This method is method 2, which I'm quite like it. I think it's quicker. Method 2, we call it move to another side of the equation. Of the equation. Oops, equation. Let's write down together from here. Thank you, my graphic board and technology. Otherwise, you will not see me. Now you can learn with me. We can learn together everywhere. 5x is 5x here. Plus, look at this one carefully, everyone. 4 times plus 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Down here, 28. Next one, 4 times negative x. Don't forget that you have negative x, not just x. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. And again, it's equal 32. Match them, huh? 5x minus 4x, we have just x left. Write out x here. X. And then you still have plus 28 equals 32. Oops, 32. Now I'm going to move to another side of equation. Do you remember our concept? Yes, you remember our concept. Plus turn to be minus. Minus turn to be plus. ค่ะแล้วก็ positive turn to be negative. Negative turn to be positive. Multiply turn to be divided. Divided turn to be multiplied. I teach you about this symbol in detail later on. Or you could come back to see our equation. Yeah. Alright. Now let's go. Move to another side of equation. I want to move positive 28 to another side of the equation. I know that x equal 32. 28 plus 28 tend to be minus 28. So it means my x or number of dog equal 4. Yes, that's it. Again, you want to find the number of dogs which is equal x. We found it already. And number of cats, which is equal 7 minus x. Yes. So, let's find out dog, we find it here. Good. How about the cat? Number of cat equals 7 minus x. You substitute x here equal 4. 7 minus 4 equal 3. So that's it. So you find the answer. 4 dogs and 3 cats. And this one is your answer. Yes, finally you find out the answer. Okay, guys. I think I would like, let me tell you something. Which one that you prefer between the first method or the second method? Elimination or move to another side? For me, I prefer move to another side of the equation because it's quicker. 2 liters. Or we could say that you convert between c and the power 3. The power 3, 2 liters. Okay. First of all, you need to know that. Guys, are you with me? First of all, you need to know that 1,000. For example, you see the bottle here. Can you see the bottle? Can you see the bottle of water? Huh? You need to know that 1,000 cm the power 3 is equal 1 liter. Write down with me. You. Huh?
I don't think I've learned any of this.
Oh, really? Oh, how come you asked me about it? How to change it? But I would like to tell you that it is same color like the bottle here. Okay, let's see. No, this bottle look like. Okay, like this, huh? Same thing. 1,000 cm the power 3 or cubic centimeters equal 1 liters. Let me show you how. Grace, are you with me? Let's go next. For example, if they tell you that, oh, okay, you have the water that 1,000 cubic centimeter, you find out straight away it's equal 1 liters. But if you have the water 500 cubic centimeters, guess what is it? 500 cubic centimeters equal how many liters?
1 half.
Half, yes, because it is, how you find out it is you just divided 500 by 1,000 and then it's equal 0.5. Yep, so that means it's equal just half liters. Let's bottle of water. Oops, wait, oops. Okay. Oh, am I right? My drawing. Okay, you have water here, just here. And then they tell you that, oh, it's just 250 cubic centimeters.
Oh, that's
And then you need to transfer it to liters. What you're going to do is you just divided them by 1,000, okay? So it's equals, do you know how to cut the zero? Do you know how to solve decimal yet?
No.
Oh, how come you learn at school? But anyway, you know that 250 divided by 1000. If you cut the zero, it looks like a 25. It looks like, okay, let me show you again. Zero cut. It looks like 25 divided by 100. So it is equal 1 over 4. Or another way, you could answer here. Or you could answer 0.25 as well. I thought you learned some kind of this at school, คะ
No.
Okay ค่ะ Grace ค่ะ how many okay Grace you need to write down with me quick US gallon measurement what okay Grace ค่ะ what is this Grace look
Four.
quarts how many quarts in a gallon remember all of these one we use US นะคะ because you from America we use US okay how many of them 4 yeah 4 quarts equal 1 gallon how about this one what is it
Pint.
how many pints in 1 gallon
8.
8 very good 4 quarts equal 1 gallon 8 pints equal 1 gallon yes because I would like to show you here for gallon here okay I make it easy I will make it like this yep why my writing okay same 4 quarts equal 1 gallon so that means it's divided by 4 like this 1 2 3 4 but 8 pint equal gallon so that means it's divided them like this one 4 ใช่ไหมคะ this one is 4 but we put more 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 how about another one the last one ค่ะ cups let's see that you able to remember cups or not cups
16.
very good 16 cup equal 1 gallon are you writing with me as well can I see please
Do I need to draw the bottle?
up to you ค่ะ so
Okay.
that means the little
Then-
small cup way okay here find out okay question 1 whoop how many how many cups can you write down with me please in 2 gallon how many cups in 2 gallons ค่ะ
32.
very good so your solution can you write down with me please you know that 1 cup is 16 oh sorry no you know that 1 gallon is 16 cups so 2 gallon you just write down 2 here and you multiply what guess multiply อะไรคะ multiply by what คะ
16.
16 very good so it's equal 32 very good ค่ะ excellent now we go next one 32 cups write down that 32 cups okay question 2 whoops I would like to know that it's a similar that what you learn and what you confuse how many quarts QRTS in 10 US gallon how you solve it คะ
Or
in 10. So first you need to write down first that 4 quarts equal 1 gallon, yeah?
so 10.
So how about 10? 10 gallons is 10 gallons.
10 times 4
Yeah, I did something wrong here.
equals 40.
Yes, correct. So you write down 10 times 4 equal 40. So it is 40 quarts. Is that your answer? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one. Let me write down properly. Yeah, that's it.
Like square.
No. How about like have you learned that? Okay, let's try to convert the unit. 1 kilograms. Can you write down with me, please? 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Have you learned about this one or not yet?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
So again, that's you, right? 1 kilograms used to be the unit. That's something that's quite heavy. For example, I buy apples 2 kilos. Yeah, 2 kilograms. I don't say that. Oh, I would like to buy apples just 100 grams, so that they need to measure it. Oh, okay. But you could convert them. For example, if someone tell you that, oh, I would like to buy apple 2,000 grams. It's equal 2 kilograms. The way that you do is you divided them by 1,000. Okay? For example, Grace, can you guess 3,000 grams equal how many kilograms, please? You need to divide them by 1,000. So it's equals 3 kilograms. Okay, I have another question to ask you. Can you write down them? Okay, and then we're going to start again. We pick up the difficult question and work through it. Right. How about if I have 4,000 grams equal what? 4,000 divided by 1,000. This is how you change grams to kilograms. Equal what? Equal how many kilograms? Grace, 4,000 grams equal how many kilograms? 4. Yeah, that's very good. Okay. Hello everyone. You are with me, Teacher Tisha, and now I'm going to teach you how to solve mathematics problems. Alright. Here. Okay. If you follow the mathematics problem that talk about the plane. Yep. The plane is traveling between two cities. It has distance 990 miles. The speed of the plane is 300 miles per hour. It took 3 hours to travel between the two cities. But what they want you to find, like how fast was the wind blowing. So first you have to know the distance. This one, let me tell you something. You should know this formula. Distance equals speed multiplied with time, or distance equals speed or velocity. Speed multiplied with time. I'm going to teach you how to analyze the problems. Let's go. Number one, the distance is 990 miles. You should know that this one is distance. Yup, that means S. And speed of the plane is 300 miles per hour. Well, I give that V, but because it's V of the plane, I say VP. If I say VW, that means speed of the wind. The one that we want to find out is here. And it took 3 hours. That means you know this one is time. What you want to find is how fast was the wind blowing. You want to find speed of the wind or VW. Alright. Time to take a look next step. Don't forget to write down when you go with me. Alright, let me show you something interesting. Okay, new one. Make it bigger for you so you can see it clearly. Well, I suggest you try to write it like a picture or model so you have it in your mind. Alright, let's see. I'm going to draw you picture first. Well, I know that they travel between city to city. I could give it, you could give the name city A, city B, or, well, I could give the name city A and city B. Or you could say Melbourne, Sydney, Melbourne, Tasmania, or whatever, up to you. But you need to understand the concept. Here is the plane. Okay, let me draw the plane. Hope it looks like a plane. Okay, the plane travel from A to B is travel this way. But you have to remember that they not only the speed of the plane, they still have the wind here as well that support the plane to go faster. Well, what else have we know? From the question, they tell you that the distance is 990 miles. Yep, do you remember this one? So you know S equal 990 miles. And you know that VP, like the speed of the plane, is that what I think they tell you 300, yeah, 300 miles per hour. Next one, what else? What next? Give you a hint. What about the wind? So, VW or speed of the wind, that's what we want to find out. Okay, let's see from the picture. Now you know VP. You want to find VW, speed of the wind. Okay. Next one, let's see. You remember the formula I tell you? Distance equals speed or velocity multiplied with time. That one is basic knowledge that you should know. So, but I would like to make it properly and easy when I solve the equation. So I just switch it. I say TV equal S. You know that is the same thing, just switch it. So that means, don't forget that one, distance, whoops, equal VV is velocity or speed, multiplied with time. Oh, one thing that I won't forget, they said that it's travel in 3 hours. All of this one, that what you know, and you're going to use all of the information that they give in the question. Let me show you the question again. You remember this one? Distance, speed of the plane, times. You're going to use all of the information to solve this problem. Okay, let's go next. What is T? We know that. One thing that I need to tell you right now, the speed of the speed, not only speed from plane, but it is speed from plane plus speed from wind. So your V equal VP plus VW. Yeah. Okay. Now you know that T is 3 hours. I show you something. I'm going to put the unit here. And you will surprise that when we calculate, if the G is correct, the unit will be correct as well. For example, if you get speed, the unit of speed have to be mile per hour. Okay, multiply with, now you know that V come from VP, speed of plane, plus speed of wind. VP speed of plane is 300. I put 300 here. 300 plus speed of wind, that's what we want to find. And it equals our distance 990 miles. Yeah, they told you from the question. Well, from velocity, we want to find weight. Distance, the unit is mile. What next I'm do? I'm going to multiply 3 up in here in the bracket. Like this. I show you again one more time. Multiply 3 here. Multiply 3 with 300 and multiply 3 with VW. So I'm going to get 3 multiplied 300 is 900. 3 multiplied VW is 3 VW and it's equal 990. Now I'm going to solve the equation. Well, 3 VW equal, you put 900 to another side of the equation. From positive turn to be negative. Negative 900, like this. Negative 900. So 3 VW equal 990 minus 900 is 90. VW equal 90. But don't forget, these ones have the distance, the unit is mile. 3 is 3 hours. So when I move 3 hours here, 90 mile divided with 3 hour. Hour is still here. Whoop. Oh yeah, I think you can answer now. 3 divided with 9 is 330. So your answer is 30. But you still have the unit mile per hour. Let's see, your unit is correct and your answer is correct too. Now you try to write it in the sentence. They want you find. Come back to the question, what they want you to find again. They want you to find how fast was the wind blow. So you have to answer the wind was blowing. Okay, like this one. I'm going to write you the beautiful answer. The wind was blowing. 30 miles per hour, and this one is your answer. Whoops. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Yes, finally we make it. Alright, see the concept again. First, you try to analyze the question like this. Okay, try to analyze. Oh, you have to find the connection between the formula and all of the information. Find what they want, what they asked you. Like, okay, how far was the wind blowing? Oh, VW, distance S. What is speed of the plane? VP. Oh, the time is T. Try to draw the picture, make it like a model. Come back to the formula. Substitute every figure that you know and try to find the answer, write the answer properly. And that's it. Now we finish this question. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any question, you can leave the comment and ask me. Okay, thank you. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye. I hope you have a good fun time. Thank you very much for watching my video. I see you next video clip. See you. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye.